Shiban ban paik mat ka mai mariang ban petho igi jingdon jing em ha ka mariang ban sngotho igi jingdon kam ki khlaw ki betap ban hikai ru ya ka patang ban wan ya ka jing koridor ka spa mariang na kalyang ka kun run Meghalaya association kila penlong igi jingīakob mareh marathon ka bajngai 10 kilometer haringkat ka jing tre lang ka tnat forest jong jela Meghalaya ha ka lai pui tere unok pra jong uchnam arja ar ya kani ka jingīakob mareh marathon ka bla ai kerteng the Shillong Trail Run la wan bani banta da ki riu ek mariang na keleng ka dong ba pan na bar jella ki ba kun thop na ru ki khna ret bat ki bal he la san ru kum jo ya kani ka trail run la penlong ka jaga ka ba compare ka bam dei satya ka lenti ya hasurok henrei ka bre ka lenti na pleng ka khlaw ka ba mi bon ki ter khang ki bala tip kerteng kum ki rhododendron ha ka tien nong wei kini ki kinja ter khang ki ba long dawai kin bat ki bala ban pen ko na ka jing ing ding ki jing pang sni do ki jing pang bayong khli bat ki jing pang gastric na pleng ki san fu armot ki nong mare ki nong job ha kani ki jingīakob mareh marathon ki long ubi ban shan mau tho na soring khan ha ka kerdan ka baning kong u hemon mi dhar na West Giant Hills ha ka kerdan ba ar bat lotus di sangma na dangar dop ha ka kerdan ka balai na kalyang ki kenthai pat la yo ban ra da ka Dr. Umar Ghosh ha ka kerdan ka baning kong ka Atiar khasati ka kerdan ba ar bat ka Jacinta liwat ha ka kerdan ka balai.
Slowly, okay, run slow. Run slow. Enjoy it. Looking forward to the bananas and the oranges.
Morning. Hello, morning.
Just enjoy your surrounding. Okay.
Nothing, there is a relative family.
Take a trail run. Hakne ka jaka ba khat ka rhododendron trek. It's a 10-kilometer run. This trek has been very it's very close to my heart because I used to run a lot of it during COVID times. So, and there's Zorba now coming. And I wanted this experience to be shared with all the other runners as well. Medals waiting.
Thank you, Run Meghalaya.
She's sleeping.
Fast asleep.
Apa bah ya kani ka trail run ru pakin experience kan ki nomare ban pet ba haka region ru gidan kum kini ki trail ki ba itnat ki ba long ki ba I mean semi ki breum ta and so that's why we organized it and we did this in a very environmentally friendly way without having too much of production. What I've seen in the past is when I was running this run, you have kiniki bon picnic and all that, and the one kiniki jaka betana you what we try to instill in our runners is that the forest provides for you. The forest is very important, and if you leave the forest as it is, the spirit of the forest will speak to you, like that. Kadai for the runner and for the forest. You see, it's not a run where you're always looking for prize money or something like that. It's a run where you should be connecting with the forest, with the environment, so that we can become more sensitive people, sensitive runners, sensitive citizens of this world, and as you and if you pray pay reverence to the forest, I think what will happen is that we probably live in a much better society, because if you look at it right now, there's a lot of things going on in this world which is bad and all that, and a small thing like this trail run can bring back some loving back into this world. For the people is this, there is something that we have which is always beautiful, but then it gets corrupted because of our human psychology. We think that let's say this forest is just there, but it's there for many reasons. For example, this is the green lung of Shillong. Without this forest, we won't have the kind of oxygen levels that we normally do. And my message to the people would be is that respect the forest, take care of it. When people come and trek or picnic, they should always take their trash back with them. No breaking bottles, and basically with this kind of respect, we would also respect other human beings, and then automatically we would live in a better society.
Ayor ubanya kran but way na kinong Asian panta ubala pendap ya kini jing mareh ubala sakhi bakam mentoy ban su shong hak kor komputer bat ban lejim Henry ke jingiat pengat bat kamar yang kalong ke dawai ba na ke benta ke kot kakhia. How was the experience?
Tiring, and I think I'd do this again by myself.
Okay.
I think we have a lot of nice, extremely beautiful environments around Shillong, and we need to explore them, take care of them, and make use of them like this trail to keep our health fit. There's no point sitting in the computer and going to the gym every day. This is much more exciting, much more fulfilling. Thank you.